YouTube. A quick video just showing completed past projects and half finished ones. A little cross peen from a little offcut and a straight peen from a larger offcut. My first nail attempt. A coal rake for the coal forge. Working on some salad tongs. A little bell, and these are my little leaf keychains that I find are very good for practicing drawing out and shaping, chiseling, just interesting little things to make. So I try and make one of those every week or so. Anyway, just a quick video to show you what I have done. Most of my videos are going to be silent, just showing me forging, because that's what I find I like to watch on YouTube the most. But if you do like my videos, subscribe to the channel, like them, share them. Thanks for watching. Good night.